Hi everyone, welcome to Carnatic Kaleidoscope. I'm your friend Srinivasan and I'm so happy that you guys are accompanying me on my Carnatic music journey. I have been learning Carnatic music for quite a few years now, so I thought why not share my journey with you all. I was interested in learning Carnatic music because I love ragas and how deep it sounds. At first, I struggled to sing the swaras correctly, but with much practice, I started enjoying it. So I completed 7 Varnams till now and I feel like there is much more to explore. In this channel, I will be sharing my learning experience and of course tips for beginners. I will also share my practice ideas and many more. If you love Carnatic music or want to start learning, you are in the right place. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel so that you can join my Swaram-filled journey. I am willing to start my music journey with a song dedicated to Lord Ganesha, Sri Ganesha Charanam, composed by Papanasam Sivan, Thalam Adi. Let's begin. Sri Ganesha Charanam, Sri Ganesha Charanam, Gajanana, Sri Ganesha Charanam, Gajanana, Devar Munivar Paniyum, Gayakara, Sri Ganesha Charanam, Gajanana, Devar Munivar Paniyum, Gayakara, Sri Ganesha Charanam, Nagabaranane, Nanmare Potrum, Nagabaranane, Nanmare Potrum, Namane Pranavasva Rupane, Namane Pranavasva Rupane, Jaya Namane Pranavasva Rupane, Jaya Jaya Sri Ganesha Charanam, Gajanana, Devar Munivar Paniyum, Dayakara, Sri Ganesha Charanam, Padam Nambum Ramadasa Varadane, Modaga Priyane, Gauri Sudane, Adidevan Mun Arulillai என்றால், Adidevan Mun Arulillai என்றால், வேதம் நாளும் செய்தொழிலுண்டோ, ஆதிதேவன் உன் அருளில்லை என்றால், வேதம் நாளும் செய்தொழிலுண்டோ, ஸ்ரீ கணேசா சரணம், கஜானன தேவர் முனிவர் பணியும், தயாகர ஸ்ரீ கணேசா சரணம், சரணம் சரணம். Thank you all for watching. See you next Sunday with more tunes.